Hi everyone! As we continue to discuss the best tools for improving employee experience in the hybrid workspace, I am more than happy to introduce you to Distribution List Pro app for Microsoft Teams. It is an app that will boost your internal communications by facilitating the distribution of group messages. In this video, I will explain what you can use this app for, as well as show you how it works. Let's get into it. Distribution List Pro is a perfect tool for internal communications. It can be used as an alternative to an employee newsletter that a lot of companies are used to sending via email. However, using Microsoft Teams along with a Distribution List Pro app is actually more convenient for several reasons. First, because Microsoft Teams is available on mobile, desktop, and web platforms, it makes it easier to deliver your message in a consistent manner. Unlike an email, it can get lost or land in your spam folder or get pushed down in your inbox because Microsoft Teams offers instant notifications. Microsoft Teams generates a more natural kind of dialogue because of the immediacy with which people reply and react to your messages. Distribution List Pro is a perfect solution for you if you want to help your employees navigate internal changes, break down walls between departments or management and their staff by fostering a natural dialogue within your organization. In order to download the app, I had to search for it in the apps section here on the left. Here it is. Then I followed the instructions on the screen, and it instantly appears in my toolbar here on the left as well. That way you will always have access to it. What's good about Distribution List Pro is it automatically syncs your existing distribution lists from your Outlook email. So let's say I want to send a group message to my sales team. For that, I'll have to press this button here, Add Distribution List. All of my existing distribution lists will appear here. I can either click and select one, or I can search for one. I'm gonna click Add, and it appears here right away. I can see how many members are in the distribution list and how many of them are online right now. I can also pin it to the top for easier access to it whenever I need it. By clicking on the name, I will see all members that are in my distribution lists as well as their emails and whether they're online or offline. From this page, I can either start an individual chat with each member separately by pressing this button here, or I can select all of them and start a group chat. No matter how many people are in your distribution list, all of them will be added automatically to this group chat. And here I can type a new message, I can add attachments, I can add images, and I can use all of the app integrations I already have installed in Microsoft Teams. Now you know why Distribution List Pro is an easier way of sending out group messages to your employees than any kind of email platform. Now you'll have all of your distribution lists within the Microsoft Teams app, and you can send a group message just in a couple clicks like I showed in the video. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.